Chapter 8, Things Around Us. Do you know there are many things around us? Look at the picture. You can see these all things in your surrounding. House, car, dog, butterfly, girl and tree. These all things you can see in your surrounding, right? So in this chapter we will learn about living things, non-living things, natural things and man-made things. So first we see natural things. natural, natural, things, natural things. Things around us are either natural, either man-made. So things such as trees, water, rocks, animals, soil, air, plants, these all things are natural things because these all things not made by man. It means non-living things that are not made by man are called natural things. The second one is man-made things. M-A-N, man, M-A-D, made, T-H-I-N-G-S, man-made things. Look at the both picture. Who make this table? Yes, one man. So it is man-made things. Things such as tables, toys, clocks, these all things made by man. So we call man-made things. Look at the more example of man-made things. Books, you can see in this picture, glass, sugar, clothes, bag, belt and toys. These all things are man-made because they made by man. Living things, right? Because you learn this in standard 1. So what is living things? Things which have life, it's called living things. Living things are different from non-living things in many ways. So student, I will show you features of living things. First is living things breathe. Second one is living thing feel. Sometime your friend tweak you, then you feel it. Third one is living things move. Living things need food to grow. We all need food. We all need to move. We all need breathe. So we all comes in living things. Now living things grow. You can see in this picture. All living things need to grow. In the human being need water and food for grow. And the animals also need food to grow. And the plants need air, water and sunlight to grow. All living things grow with shape and sizes. The weight and height of living things is increased, so they grow. You can see in this picture, these two human beings, shapes and size will increase. This animal also can grow. These plants also can grow. So living things need to grow. Now next one is living things reproduce. All living things are capable of reproduction. In the living things, human beings give birth to their young ones, and the bird lay eggs and baby hatch from these eggs. In the plant, reproduce from the seeds. Seeds then grow into a plant. Now next is non-living things. Do you know what is non-living things? Yes, non-living things do not need food, breathe, grow or reproduce. You can see in this picture, in the first picture, the teddy, ball, doll, chair, cloud and skateboard are there. But in these all things, one thing is natural things. It is cloud. In the second picture, first is rock, cycle, ball, house, glass, scissor and pencil. In these all things, one thing is natural things. It is rock. So non-living things can be either natural and either man-made. Like rock is a non-living things, but it comes in natural things. And the clock and this ball, these all things come in non-living things, but it is made by man only. So it is man-made things also. So student, I will show you the difference of living things and non-living things. You can see this both picture. First is living things and second part is non-living thing. This boy, this girl, this tree and the animal. These four need food to grow. These four need breath to grow. And these four need move also. And these four can grow and reproduce also. And second part is non-living things. This fan can move? No. This house can grow? No. This car can eat? No. And this rock need to breathe? No. So living things need to breathe, need to food, grow. These all things need only living things, and non-living things do not need move, breathe, food, grow and reproduce. Now we will do one activity. See this picture. We have to put yes for living things and put no for non-living things. First is animal. So animal is living things, yeah, non-living things. Yes, animal is living things. So we tick on yes. Second one is truck. Truck is living things? No, truck is non-living things. So we put tick on no. Third one is sandal. Sandal is also non-living things. And fourth is snake. Snake is living things. And next is flowers. Flowers is non-living things. And this next is pencil. Pencil is also non-living things. And this pig is living things. And the brush is non-living things. And this animal also living things. This one also living things. But this table is living things? No. This tree is living things. This plant is living things. This spoon is living things? No. Now this family is comes in living things, and this fire is non-living things. Now got it? What is non-living things and what is living things, right? Now we will learn about different types of materials. There are 4 types of materials. Okay, man-made things are usually made from different materials. We get these materials from both living and non-living things. Example of materials are wood, rubber, metals and plastics. So in these materials, 4 materials are comes: wood, rubber, metals and plastic. Now first is wood. You can see in this picture, from this wood we get pencil, we get table and we get chair. These all things we get from wood. Now second is rubber. R-U-B-B-E-R, rubber. From this rubber we get tire, balloons and gloves. These all things we get from rubber. We get erasers also get from rubber. Second is metals. M-E-T-A-L-S, metals. See this picture. This is metal. From this metal we get car, machines and accessory of our kitchen. Okay, ornaments, these all things we get from metals. Last one is plastic. You can see this plastic. From this plastic we get bucket, bottles, mugs and combs. These all things we get from plastic. Okay kids, now time to say bye bye. We will meet again in our next chapter.